Well, good evening, YouTube. It's currently July 23rd, 2025. It's Wednesday. It's in the evening. It's probably about 7:20. I think my seat's in the right position. Okay, I had a problem yesterday. I was like, well, for a few days, it felt like the seat post was sinking into the frame, and I kept forgetting to check. And then I was out riding yesterday, and I was on my return trip from the ride, and my seat started dropping down into the frame like all the way. Well, as far as the rear battery, it stopped when it hit. The rear battery can only sink down in so far to the frame, so I was like, shit. I thought I was having a frame malfunction. I got home, and somehow or another, the quick release clamp on my seat post had come loose. And being the rather large person I am, I have that thing clamped down like a son of a, you know what, so it doesn't do that with my weight. It won't sink in if I hit bumps hard enough and stuff, you know. And it was completely open, and I'm like, how the hell? Because it requires a good amount of force to get it to shut and to get it open. So I'm like, I have no idea how my quick release clamp came open on my seat post. So I just spent I got home and I readjusted as much as I could. And I just spent the last 5 minutes in the driveway right now trying to get it back in the right position. Because it pushed everything down, because the battery and the controller are zip tied to the seat post. And it pushed the battery way down into the frame further than it might have had it. And now my rear battery is actually kind of loose. The zip ties are all loose and stretched out or something. Ooh. So now I gotta probably have to get my heavy duty zip ties out, which I don't have many left, and reattach the battery differently. So it's been over 24 hours since I've had any of my anxiety medication, and I'm definitely feeling different. I'm not having anxiety. It's like I'm coming out of a drug stupor or some shit. Definitely not as drowsy as I've been lately. I'll tell you what. I can tell you the sun's blinding me right now. Ow. My legs are my quads are all blown out because I had to sit super low on the seat yesterday down the ride home for about 2.5 miles. But my seat seems to be in the right position now. My legs aren't all bunched up. My knees aren't hurting me. So hopefully I got it in the right spot. My seat feels like it's straight. It definitely doesn't feel like it's digging into either one of my inner thighs. Probably going to turn around at the street up here. I might be going home right now. I'm starting to feel kind of crappy. I've been feeling a little off all day. It took me forever to since I haven't been taking the anxiety medication, I haven't been as drowsy or sleepy, so it took me like over a day to fall asleep. So I'm feeling a little off still. I just woke up about maybe an hour ago. I got up to 31, dudes. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little. I'm just gonna go home. I don't feel good now. I really don't feel good. Oh well. At least I got my seat readjusted. So I don't know if my chest is bothering me because I didn't take my anxiety medication. So I guess I'm going to be taking that when I go home. Apparently I can't stop taking it because my body has formed some kind of dependency on it now. That's great. My body's addicted to something that's non-addictive. That sounds like me. That guy's electric lawnmower had headlights. So apparently they don't. You can mow your lawn in the dark. That's a new one. So this was a super short ride, like what, 10 minutes at most by the time I get home. Oh well. We'll call this my mini e-bike ride to test out my seat adjustment and try to shorten that up into a title somehow. I feel kind of refluxy. I should have taken some of my business tablets and waited like 20 minutes and then got out here. I think my Fiido screwed it. Yeah, it's stuck on 31 miles per hour. My speedometer is stuck at 31 miles per hour. It's not reading my speed anymore. That's great. That sucks. I have no idea how fast I'm going now, guys. I have to go by feel. Dang it. So that means if it's not reading my speed limit, then it's not reading how... I'm not going to be able to tell how far my rides are anymore. Jesus. So the seat post screws up. I fixed the seat post, and I'm riding my bike, get it up to 31.1 miles per hour on a downhill, and then my speedometer quits working. Whatever. Maybe it'll fix it when I reset it. Either that or it's just going to constantly record my speed at 31.1 miles per hour and keep giving me the wrong distance traveled. The hell, man. I think I have another one of these little LCD monitors in the garage somewhere that I can plug into this thing. Oh, I didn't get farther from forward that time. Shit. I'm not even going to check the mileage because I wasn't gone that long. Damn it. Oh well, that sucks. I'm assuming like 2 miles was my ride. Yeah, I really don't feel very good right now, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm going there to lay down. I'm gonna have to whip out my phone again, I guess, and put the phone mount back on there and download a free GPS app, one of those ad-supported ones, so I can know how fast I'm going with a delay. Okay. That's loud. I'm going to plug this in later. I don't feel good. I'm going to go inside the house. I really don't feel good. All right, well, remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are. I got to go. I'll see you in my next e-bike video. Okay, bye.